iPhone stuck on recovery mode? Don't worry, in this video, we are gonna show you how to exit recovery mode easily with two free methods. Method 1. Exit recovery mode by restarting your iPhone. Step 1. Press and hold the side button, and release it when your iPhone turns black. Step 2. Press it again and let it go until you see the Apple logo. Method 2. Exit recovery mode using UltFone iOS system repair. Step 1. Download and install UltFone iOS system repair from its official website and launch it on your computer. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to computer using a USB cable. Then you'll see that there are three options in the main interface: Enter recovery mode, Exit recovery mode, and Repair operating system. The third option can repair 150+ system issues like Apple logo, reboot loop, and black screen without data loss. But in this case, the second option would be a quicker solution. So last step, click Exit recovery mode, and wait patiently for the repair to complete. Once it is finished, your device will automatically reboot and everything will get back to normal. That's all about how to fix iPhone stuck on recovery mode. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips. See you next time.